Navigate to the Settings menu on the sidebar. Under System Settings, select Barcode Scale. The Barcode Scale configuration screen appears, showing the current settings. Click the drop-down arrow next to Barcode Type. A drop-down menu appears presenting weight digits and rate digits as options. When weight digits is selected as the barcode type, the system is configured to interpret a specific sequence of digits within the barcode as the product's weight. Now, let's adjust the parameters for weight digits. Click on the entry code digits field and change its value. Here, entering 3. The entry code digits refer to the portion of the barcode that identifies the specific product itself. Next, click on the prefix field and update its value. The prefix is a fixed sequence of digits at the beginning of a barcode that signals to the scanner and the POS system that the barcode contains variable information, such as weight or price, rather than a standard fixed price item code. Here I enter 22. The last one, weight digits. Weight digits value refers to the number of digits allocated within the barcode, specifically to represent the weight of the item. Here I enter 2. To save these changes for the weight digits barcode type, click the Submit button. Updated successfully notification will appear in the top right corner. Now we look rate digits. Select the barcode type to rate. Enter all the data as per the previous steps. Here, similar to weight, the rate digits option would configure the system to reserve a certain number of digits within the barcode to represent the rate. Now here an extra field is there, fractional digits. Value refers to the number of digits allocated within the barcode, specifically to represent the rate of the item. Here I enter 2. Click Submit button for save changes. Thanks for watching.